Hey, so we stumbled across something this morning in a brainstorm that I thought I'd share. I thought it was just really cool because I didn't know Gemini could do this. The business case, in short, is we have documents that are shared with us that are kind of in a structured format that we wanted to extract some of the information from and then put that into a Google Sheet for grant applications so that our staff could more easily go through, review, and provide their comments and approve grant applications. So I'm using a slightly different document just because this is the ones that I use for all of our projects, but it's the same basic kind of approach because we have a structured document here that has issue, actions, team, current state, future state, plan, meetings, resources, that kind of thing. That was for kitchen chair applications. This is one for on-site waste treatment inspections where we're looking at building kind of a workflow there. But you'll see issue, actions, team, current state, future state. So we have a Google Sheet and we have 3 columns in it. So we only are looking for a subset of information from those documents. And that would be title, current state, and future state. So I already ran one for the kitchen share where you can see the information that was in this document now shows up in this sheet. So how we did that, we actually used a Gemini gem. So in this case, we created a Gemini gem that we just called it Form Population Gem, and I will share the instructions in the comments that we actually used so that you can see how to kind of map it. But essentially what we did was we had instructions that said, look for the information and populate column A, B, and C with the relevant information that you find. There's nothing whiz-bang about that. But here is how it works. So in Sheets, if we click on Gemini and it expands, we come over and we click on the hamburger menu and you'll see the form population gem. You could look at all of your other gems, but since we're working in that one, it just came up. So in this case, I'm going to say, can you pull the info over from at in the OWTS? And so that's that same document. Hit enter. So now the gem's going to fire off in the background and it is going to import the information. So there's OWTS inspections. That is the current state and that is the future state from this document. So anyway, I thought that was really cool. All right. I'm interested to see what y'all do with it too. Later.